Hey Shika, how are you doing? Are you ready for the mid-year appraisal?
Sure, Gopal.
See, I've been looking at our figures here, our revenue figures for the last 6 months, and I'm not very happy. In the sense our growth has only been just about 3%, and that's not right. Unless we do something drastic, we're going to be in big trouble. And I don't see anything here about the long-term agency management plan which we're supposed to get ready. We need to shift things quickly and go to the market.
Gopal, I've really been working very hard. It's just that I'm not getting enough time to focus on the long-term plan.
No, Shika. When I joined the organization, I went beyond the normal call of duty to get things done. I don't know what's holding you back.
But it's not me who's holding back. Things are not in my control. I have been trying to meet our internal and external stakeholders to get their perspective, and I have been trying to formulate a plan. But no one's cooperating. When I was working on this special project with the ED, everyone gave me their time and attention. But now that I'm part of the business division, things are different. No one's cooperating, so I don't think it's me.
By the way, it reminds me of one thing. I need you to mark all mails to me and discuss your ideas with me before you go higher. I don't want you going directly to the ED. Is that clear?
Okay.
About meeting agents and clients, when I was a young manager, I used to actually go and meet them, spend time with them, and get to know their problems, address all their problems. And I'm not surprised other departments are not cooperating with you, because I detect a certain high-headed attitude in you. Huh? But anyway, coming back to your performance till now, what do you think? How do you think you have performed?
I've understood the operational aspects of the job very well. In fact, when I was working on the special project with the ED, he very often praised my execution excellence and my sound understanding of the operations. So all I need is some more time to execute the long-term plan. That's it.
I think you need to think out of the box, take initiative, and get better ideas, new ideas. You can't just sit at your desk and expect things to happen. You need to go outside, meet people, work out certain things, see what is going to work, and try and implement those things. And that is critical for you to turn around the northern part of our business. And while I've seen that you're good at the operational aspects, I somehow feel that you're still focusing too much on the short term and not thinking beyond the next quarter.
Gopal, I majored in marketing and strategy at B School, so I do have a fairly good idea of how to formulate a long-term plan. So I have enough case studies to refer to, and I can come up with a solution.
By the way, Shika, what's happening to the agency's complaints? Have they reduced?
I spend most of my time handling these agency issues. We have reduced the complaints marginally, around 5% compared to last year. But there's so many issues coming up. Wrong ROs, ads coming on the wrong page, color and size of the ad getting changed, editions getting missed. I'm going crazy coordinating with all the departments.
Shika, time's running out. You have to get your act together. You have to work quickly. And I hope I've made all my expectations clear. I need to get everything settled in the next 3 months, and these 3 months are going to be very critical for you. You have to show concrete results. Let us meet a little later and discuss these issues.
Okay, Gopal. Thanks.